Bro, there's been delays on delays. 12 o'clock, the album doesn't come out. Okay, cool, cool. I will understand. If there may be some delays, some delays. Okay, cool. Ow. Like, it's not talking about AK, the songs are trash. When it's talking about AK, the songs are good. Like, out of 10, the Body Sex and Try Body Boss songs is not make sure. That one is not make sure. Hmm. Actually, VAR is killing our football, bro. Like, actually, VAR is killing our football. Like, literally, yes, that this thing, like, yo, bro, like, we've been waiting for, like, I've been waiting, like, all night, bro. Like, I feel like since, like, 12 o'clock, like, because of 12 o'clock now, I waited for the albums from South Africa to drop, like, and I guess, like, yo, okay, yo, Nadia Nakai, whoever in South Africa have dropped their songs, yes, cool, cool, cool. I'm understanding that. Because of we're living in this time of different time zone, I'm thinking, okay, I will wait there for the stays for the time to do it. Bro, we've been waiting for Playboy Carti's album to drop. If literally still now, Playboy Carti's album is still not out. Like, bro, like, what the fuck? Like, we've been waiting, bro, like, that nigga, because of always there's this 3 hours ingestion when it comes to the digital platforms. So if the album doesn't come out in 12, it will come out in 3. If it doesn't come out in 3, it will come out in 9. If it doesn't come out in 6 o'clock, if it doesn't come out at 6 o'clock, it will come out at 9. I'll be okay, cool, cool, cool. We're waiting for Playboy Carti's album to come out. Bro, there's been delays on delays. 12 o'clock, the album doesn't come out. Okay, cool, cool. I will understand. If there may be some delays, some delays. Okay, cool. 3 o'clock, still the album is not out. Okay, cool, 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 cool. Again, after 3 o'clock, it's 6. The album is still not out. I'm like, fuck yeah. Bro, like, I waited all night for that because I wanted to record so that I would be even talking about Playboy's Cardi's album. But listen, how can I talk about it while the album is not out? Bro, I've been watching like all night. I've been watching Kai Cenat. Okay, cool. Because of, yeah, I will be watching an Aero Street. Okay, cool, it's cool. I watch it. Your DJ Academics have been watching it. Your Max, all those type of guys have been watching it. Like, I just listen to Zura Nepal, they're going, listen to the album is still now, the album is not out, bro. Like, I'm like, yo, bro, Playboy can just drop their album, bro. Like, we've been waiting for so long, bro. Yeah, like, just drop their album because of, it's been hours, bro. Like, I've waited all night, bro, for the album to come out. Like, it's really because of I recorded it like later. Even today, I was supposed to record like 2 hours ago, but I couldn't record because I wanted to talk about the album in this video, but I couldn't record because the album hasn't come out. And we find out right now while I'm recording, the album will be out, or after when I recorded this episode, the album came out. I'm like, whatever, bro. I will just have to record, bro. I will see it after. Because of it's been long, bro. Like, it's been long, bro. I've been waiting. I've waited for a long, bro. Like, long enough, bro. Like, I waited for a long time. Like, now I have to record, bro. Like, that nigga, I don't know. He keep on saying, yo, after for, yeah, any minute right now I'm dropping. Any minute right now I'm dropping. Any minute right now I'm dropping. Like, bro, just drop the album. But what I'm seeing the delay from the Playboy Carti's album is because of, I think there is some clients that they has to do, and it's the one that is taking long time because of, if there was no submitting clearance that they have to do it, because you're doing over card album, card. So I guess the record label, they're still trying to do the paperwork right. Maybe the person who's doing, who they want the sample credits from it, they want there to sign or him. Because if it was not for things like your sample clearance, the album of Playboy Carti should be out long time ago, should be out. I guess the delay from the Playboy Carti's album is the sample clearance. Maybe there is someone who they want him or her to clear the album, to clear the sample, and no, and maybe that's why there is a delay. Come on. So I don't know, bro. Like, I couldn't do it anymore, bro. Like, I couldn't, bro. Like, I was fucking tired. Like, when you waited for something, you sleep, because I waited from 12 now. Then when he reached, like, I think about like 4 5, become, I was like, bro, I'm fine. I will sleep right now. I slept. I'm thinking when I woke up around 5 o'clock to 6, it will be out. Still the album still is not out. I'm like, "Yo, okay." Watch again. I'll watch the streams. The album still is not out. I'm like, okay, cool. Just have to accept that the album would come out. I don't know. Maybe it will come out midday. That's it. That's how I think. Maybe the album will come out midday. But I will guess I will see about it. When will that album come out? Because bro, like, I've been waiting for some period of time, bro. Like, I've been waiting, bro. Like, I've been waiting. You know when you waited and you become tired from of waiting. That's how I became tired of waiting. Because I waited for so long, bro, for that album to come out. Like, that nigga doesn't want to drop the album. Like, I don't know. But we don't know what is the main reason. But anyway, you know what it is. It's your boy LBK in Africa. We are back with another bang. Yo, it's crazy week. It's Friday. So I guess when it's Friday, that's the day that I have so much topic to talk about because of the music will be out. Many things of yo Nadia Naga just drop. Yo, I guess let's start with Nadia Naga. You know, she just dropped a what is it called? Previous album. What I'm seeing from Nadia Naga's album, the only songs that she's talking about AK are good songs. Those are the songs. The songs that Nadia Naga is not talking about AK, the songs are trash. When Nadia Naga is not talking about AK, the songs are trash. When he's talking about AK, the songs are good. Like out of 10 songs to 12 songs, she's not talking about AK, the songs are trash. When she's talking about AK, the songs are hit. Like literally, she just dedicated the album to him. That even the other songs where she's not talking about him, the songs must be trash. Because I think only the on the top of the mountains. I think it's the only song. I think yeah, it can be cool. It's not bad. It's cool. You know, it's there. But those other one songs are trash, bro. Like literally there's nothing you can listen, bro. Like she didn't put even more effort. Even like your Mzil, even the people she featured on the album, like I can see like you can see, bro, like we understand that she's heartbroken, but like why the other song are not good, bro? Like only song where she's talking about like are the songs which are good. Why? Like why? Why can't she do another song like which are felt like they'll be good? You know, only those other songs are only good when she's talking about a kid. Like we don't understand. Like, that's why I was talking about the mentality last time. Like bro, like she really need to move on from that situation, bro. Like we understand that she's heartbroken. Like we understand that, and we know that it will not. And like I must go to Paula's road, man. This is in Chekulo Kupenduna one nine. So I know Kubal song and move on. Like literally she needs to move on, bro. Like we understand that she's broken, but like, bro, she gotta move on, bro. Like, because of Zuko sees her career umra, because every time she has to talk about him, the interviews, him, zinto zawe, zimene zino, the reality shows zawe, she's talking about him. There's nothing that she never quite doesn't involve listening. Come on. Like, how is she gonna move on? Like, will she ever find love if she's doing things like this? She will never. Because she has to move on. Like she has to move on. But nah. But what I can say is that the songs that she's not talking about AK, that these songs are trash. If she's not talking about AK, the songs are trash. When she's talking about AK, the songs are good. Like what the fuck is that? Like Mutwabato in album ya song. Like in a when you're not talking about someone, there's an imposition. There's sharp. Move when you're talking about the way like we understand that she said she was gonna dedicate the album to him. Yes, we understand. This was process. Mara, sorry, zimwe zisadie because of this guy is not. The songs you can feel that the songs are not dedicated to him. It's just that it's those vibes. Maybe she wanna rap like. Oh, the zimwe songs now come out. Yo, I feel like I wanna be Cardi B. Yo, I've got it. Yo, we know that you are beautiful. We know that you got this body. We know that you have this and this and this, bro. Like, can you just rap about something else? Like, can you rap about something else which we don't know? Can you put some words together, like, and rap about some shit rather than without rap about something else? We, you know, we all know Una's position. We all know how he looks. she's getting old, so we're not no longer looking at her the way like we used to look at her back then. So she gotta move on, bro. Like that's it. I feel like she gotta move on. That's it. That's it. Yo, did you listen to Gigi Lame's song that just dropped, the Bleed Mama? Oh fucking yeah, Gigi Lame just released a hit, bro. Like that one is a hit, bro. Like that one is a hit. I don't wanna sleep. I don't wanna bleed, mama. All I wanna do is just sleep, mama. What I mean, like that song is like she literally killed it. She killed the hook, the verse, everything. They see that's what someone must do when it comes to if it's your song. You must do that. You must deliver. Even though we're expecting your MT will be the one maybe calling the verse, something just changed. She was the one who calling the verse. And that guy, what is the name of that guy? There's this guy, the other guy that was there. Let me check. What is that name? What is his name? What's the name, man? 13 Blade, Nathan Blade, something like that. So he was the one who also rapped there. In the second verse was him. He did even a great job, that guy. Like, literally, he did like a wonderful job. Like, he knows how to rap, like, he knows how to use a pen. Because of I even find the way that the style that he was dripping. There was a time where he was changing with the flows. He didn't even rap like on the same flow, like rapping flow would here in at the Wakusuko and Borean. So the mini, like, he's not much changing his flow. He did it on some other way, rather than the way I actually Tianga from the start moment. So I don't know. He kind of like did it. Even MT was doing, like, I guess it's like a soulful song, that type of a hip hop in it. It doesn't need to recover a high pitch song space in there. The hip hop you learning, you can find it to, yeah. Okay. People can just hype on the song like this and this and this. It's more chilled. Like you can just it's those songs that you can feel it inside, like you okay. Yeah, I'm going through some shit. Yeah, just listen to this track, Like the track here I drop, it's so like this track is like this name studio, not right, like can just bump it like in the, like roll out basically, like abazazukuthi bafuna, like even a beat down, it's not like that hype. I thought like it's more chilled, it's more relaxed, like it's not that type of it ngoba you relax about ayitofanana e-learning sinalabo kozipha kozi-D ezine zaba kuma sina tempo ya fast blind, like this one is more slowly, like you relax ngandri yakuthi ngoba so azifani nezine lazifaka kozi-D, like even akujena kwa watch rap hapo it's more slow, she's more relaxed rather than ezilani izimo zinabo rap ngoba I guess ndizinoza to them something to that change the way you do stuff, like Ude, Gaimendira, and rap on some other type of things. Go on. Rather than the local rap and guy was local rap and Andrea and go on. This is the Cosbon. Andrea in the Cosbon and guy. Or the Tiamin Mara. I guess this kind of stuff like in the Susha Shop. Mara, the ones who do the Tiamin. Kayo. Mara, case is sharp of blend. Mara, the song is really literally good and good. I listen to it. And who else just dropped? Tribe Body Boss and Body Sex. That track that they just dropped. It's not make sure. The Body Sex and Tribe Body Boss song is not make sure. That one is not make sure. That one. Like even the beats, ne, that Body Sex did, ne. People actually used to think like Nako can't produce. The Body Sex is the one who produced, like. You're the one now produce it. We have to see will Body Sex produce it with Tribe Body Boys and we have to see will they produce it. I because of you used to say yo now I can produce, I'm the one who was producing the songs. Didn't look at us what it's okay. They just released a work song here, Body Sex and the Tribe Body Box. That means you can't produce or what? Was Nako the one who was killing you? Just that you felt like because of you became with this ego came to you and you felt like I can do this thing on my own, I'll do this. Okay. Then do it, bro. Let's see. Let's see. But now I'm not really, I'm not impressed with the song. Like literally the song, I can see like nah this year they're playing this ones. Umwana pakutamba hauna zvinhu zvikunya kuitiwa kuno the way uri kutozvibona uri hai uyo unoni vakunya hai like no. I'm kind of seeing Murisha yo what was Seru angry about. He knew that this guy nah the way that he's doing things nah zvitoenda they are wrong. And this is the case. Because one I don't know zviri kuproducera kwauri hai asikoni kumwana so tatoona zviri kutoita maybe time dodivise it now. Actually, we have to see the album in here. Will the album be? Will the album produce hits now? If the album can't produce it, that means we'll say, this guy used to think I'm this type of thing nigga, but no ways. You're not that type of nigga. Just that you felt like you were that type of nigga because of now. You know. Now do your things. Let's see, will you do it? And will you be the guy that we thought you were? Come on. I mean, obviously Nako was the one who put him on. Yes, we know the hard work, but I felt like Nako was the one who put him on. Go on. And we heard that he stole other people's beats. 36. Now, there's a guy who did an interview, and that guy said, like, your 36 stole my beats. My beats right now is sitting on meter. I'm like, what? This guy did this? But is always saying, yo, I'm this dope producer. I'm this dope, what we call, I'm this dope, I'm this dope producer. Now I can produce, but he's the one who people are accusing him for stealing things. Like, okay, we just have to see. Well, what are we doing, Nika? We'll have to see. Because I thought they're just playing, but right now we can see the album is not good. The album is not good at all. You note that the song is not good at all. And that is the national tension, but the songs literally work. So we'll see what is going on. And Yellow just released, yo, bro, like, I don't know, bro. I don't know. This is a real combo. Machiavelli should just focus on his gentle things there and leave the music things alone. Because of, like, how can he allow you to release that type of song? Like, I saw it, like, this song won't click it, bro. Like, I saw it, bro. Like, this song won't click it. Because of, you can see what is going on with the song. Oh man, like how can a feature kill you on your own song? Like Yellow was body bed to bang. I'm not quite feature like even the chief oh dear verse yeah better than Yellow. Come on, that verse yeah idea given the chief was better than verse Yellow I put on there. Come on, like how come, bro? Like it's just that Yellow is not finding himself. Like he knows himself what type of an artist he is. Yellow is a type of an artist in it zitreke zinagona zidiya zazithi ndizi-vibe songs come on like you know not these songs now about your rap but like bro you can rap bro you can rap that's it bro style chano ndichori do these songs zine nava vibe you know like hype songs ngomona zi songs zodansa rather than the songs za hardcore deep and rap ngomona zine zazikonya kuti zinyaka muthu ane agona use pen ngamanda come on so he's trying to use that style and he's seeing that the style is not working. Come on. And I don't know really. I'm trying to come advice or write it today. Come on. What was one strike is now because it's they are not learning, bro. Like it's called learn. Automated chubby Ghana as more learn. The no idea, you know. And given the chief is bodybuilding him. Come on. Like change, bro. Kabeleka chachila chidiya ngacho chorapa ngeni nandira. Come on. As also ripsan. So DS Takazan one. So the nigga is not understanding it really. Like ako they are one who's already what and what they was on dealing what who to the is taking to the other than is not quit so I don't know bro but literally what this is like bako tipa bako my friend was zwamba zwingai because about the song like I literally saw is like this is what as far as right you the songs this way yes I can Spotify you should buy kana ndi ḓovha ndi khou i setsha ndi tshi ḓovha ndi si khou i wana nṋe maybe yone mara nda kho ḓo i wana ndi tshi setsha uri mini vhaswa mulayo mukona is that aiwe. So we just have to ḓo vhona zwo ḓo tea mara yone ndo setsha kha YouTube aiwe mara na ngei kha Spotify yone tshine tsha khou ṱoḓa kha ngari zwino u creator Spotify account maybe zwi good nyana mara u tshi vhona na Spotify account yone uri tshi khou nwa nga entertainment ile na u just kana na magaveli ngwa zwithu zwi ṱoḓa zwa muzika zwi a lemela na blind but what I can say is that the track is not it's not tracking ngwa the track is not make sure I make sure ile track ngwa ndi nga nḓila ine nda khou vhona ngayo I make sure ile track na titi ndi nga nḓila ine nda khou zwi vhona ngayo u fana uri ndi yo ba clean na music video au khou drop when no go video Suzanne while we're still talking about the music bro did you hear that the biggest most catalog is up for sale? I think it's up for sale for 100 million to 115 million. And I don't know, why is it up for sale right now while after biggest song just passed away? I don't know because I guess what the music that catalog of biggest ones was owned by Bad Boy Entertainment. So I don't know really. Wait a minute. Come on. I don't know. But biggest small catalog is up for sale for 100 to 150 million. But literally biggest small just passed away. And I don't know why is Bad Boy selling that catalog. Maybe it's because of maybe did he want money for legal fees. But not so long ago, did he just sold what do you call Revolt? Did that money all of it just went off? So yeah, like the tour. So I don't know, bro. But I guess it was a big move for him to. I guess what he needed to do, he was not supposed to sell Revolt. He was supposed to step down as the chairperson of it and then find someone who will carry it. Maybe find someone who is just maybe selling maybe 49%. But he did the bad move there by selling Revolt. I think he sold it for 40 something million. So I will just see what will happen to him. The trial for him is set up to on the 5th of May. As far as I mean, you know, the August award. So the nice is in a federal court floor. There won't be Canada state because they don't allow it. The federal case is not like a state case. The years defense, so they don't allow the cameras and go court. So we'll see what they do. But I don't know, bro. But why are they selling it right now? Why? I don't know. So we just have to see. So I guess we're done with the entertainment industry. And the way still which one is not gonna church nyimbo. Change your quick there nyimbo. I guess I'll share that has been going on when it comes to the music industry. And I literally just dropped that interview there. That's the one where I guess it won't land the way it was supposed to land that time. Because I feel like it's more edited too much, you know, they cutted things, so it won't land like that. And they think like because of they edit it in such a way that we won't see it's like bro, it was supposed to be cool, to be in the way it was, unfiltered. You're supposed to put it out like that. So you put it now, who is going to see it? Then you turn out the one in the podcast. I better to know this guy. I posted off on your bachelor speaker, because now which I visa, I could visa. Why it's over? Can you come? You thought it's just you know, editing any way you need to lunotshikaniwa humwe hunotumikana. And then one of those genre is hard for people to know, but nah, those one, this one, I won't even try to entertain it. I just think when she we were supposed to watch it, what she's a true edit one, but then because of what one has could fit child remove you, child flag you, then said to me, child edit you. And I guess it's trying to prove a point to me. You, it was not me. Oh, I did this, I did this, I did this. But what the fuck? Why did you remove it back then? We wanted to see it back then, so you can't put it like back it now. So it is what it is. So I guess so they to detail and no, I just Jen, don't say to record over people on the day. To the one in me. Oh, well, over HP. And the rack had thought that blind is let me. One. The last thing I share, I thought that blind. There's no, yes, I shall and I'm a man than so other thing is the budget speech. Wow. I guess the budget speech. I knew they won't increase that 2% that they were talking about because of, they saw that there were gonna be trouble when it comes to that 2%. In the way of increase number. So the players did. They said they will increase it with 0.5%, and it will increase annually from the 2026-2027. That means on the 2026-2027, it will increase to be 16%, but right now it's increasing by 0.5. That means it's how much? That means right now it's still 15.5, I guess, somewhere there. One. Then next year will be 16.1. Next year then will be 16. So I don't know what they tell me, but I guess the ball is the work with me. Come on. Mara. It wasn't much. Maybe you to maybe you can be happy because of the increase they did for what we call for the this thing. What is it? What is it? What we call it? If you mean SRT grant, the way younger so it is what it is. So I didn't see much impact when it comes to the speech one. So since those rival say I didn't see it that month. One. So the one through this I mean mara I didn't see what the tongue governor Susan Sweet air was never goes because cover on and then go to us as my blade. I didn't see much of it. Go on. So go on very I wish me mara Fiji high. I don't know as well goes born because it's greater. So I don't know what they tell me. And the other good news is that Bashir this have to be extradited to South Africa. Whether we see or to Rulbaro. I guess they are now appealing for that case. I don't know what they are appealing because of South Africa is the sole case against them. They just have to come here and set a date for the trial and sit down because of if they are innocent, why they are running away? If you're innocent, then why are you running away? Especially if you're a prophet, you are a man of God. Then why are you running away? Come back and face it. One. Why? One. Hey, but Bushiri must be studied at Tunisia, bro. What he did, what that guy did, is unbelievable, bro. Like that guy did some weird shit. That guy came from Malawi without nothing, he came to South Africa and went home being a billionaire. That guy. Like for real, that guy scammed a lot of people. Bro. Like he did like unbelievable. What he did that guy, mm-mm, I don't understand. But like even still now when they are saying you, this guy is as for me, we are still seeing people worshiping him. His churches, look at the giant in South Africa. Come on, so that the Shuma like your Boros or what? Yeah, that one is a scam. That one, I saw these professors scammers, all of them. It's hardly to find like a cool prophet who is literally like legitimately like a cool prophet who is literally like a prophet for real, for real. Most of them, yeah, they're just so much shy. About what much shy about when they they feel like I don't know. Kungwana. So I don't know what they tell me. Yeah. Mm. Andrei ndakaona ngayo. Andrei ndakuzviona ngayo rava. Most of the people vakutoshayiwa shayiwa. Mune ndatozviona ngayo rava. Ara kuti ashaya. Kungwana. I know that's it to see what they tell me. The one. Mara, the queen. Kungwana. The one sort of the time, Mara, I guess they will bring him back home. Then maybe Tango, those Misiwa, Tango knows most know the week. And that one sort of the time. And the other thing I want us to talk about it is what, bro. Did you see what they did to Atletico Madrid? That went there, they robbed Atletico Madrid. Actually, VAR is killing our football, bro. Like, actually, VAR is killing our football. Like, literally, as that this thing of VAR is killing our football, but also when there's no VAR, matches are being robbed. But when there's VAR, also there's problems. It's just that everything there's its own disadvantage. One, yes, it's cool when there's VAR can show goal sura kunokona kuti uzokora dzimwe dzinokora the offside imini. Then there are certain things when it works then even choshuma like you can see the like outcome, you know. Sometimes it's not clear to confirm yes muthu unoni maybe oita zvinhu so even pala Alvarez like we're not sure uri ekwama hamwe kwama mwana we're not sure, we are literally not sure. Mara ndimwe murayo utoro chinchibula like aya that law that disadvantage Atletico Madrid from winning in the then. It seems like it was favoring Real Madrid. Like actually, the law just favored the Real Madrid. Like the way it was, those one and those. It seems like it's literally favoring Real Madrid. Like how come like she's be like that? Like how come? No one. Like how come in that type of way? No one. Like I was expecting it would be a good thing. Like we'll see it like yeah, it will be a good goal because they scored a goal and they played and they won. We're thinking, yeah, okay, they are going to the penalty, but nah, I feel like they got robbed there. That thing need to be started. Like the VAR, nah, it's very boring. And I just want to congratulate our team. I guess it's just that Man United, you can't confirm it, you know. I can't confirm it. But I guess it will do that type of thing that when it did when Jose Mourinho won the Europe at that time, you know, while when he was not without any players. One, I guess it was really come on. Ndikabona kuti zvingava zvinozotoita because of if you can check ne unoona zvithu zvinhu zvinozvikuita zvine avo vatambi vachingotowedza United and vachitaka zvinozitima kuti vaperform mara ngafanoni United vakugopa perform mara ngafanoni kuti vachitaka zvinozitimba kusvika vakuperform. So I guess that's the point zuri kutoita mara Andre ine yakaperform I guess I feel like kunyanga vatambi. I guess it's not supposed to sell these players in the bottom of the I guess players like your Bruno Fernandes, they really carried me in United. Like, no, I'm talking yeah, Robana has few as hard one. No one was gonna carry the team like the way that boy is carrying. One like when I've been like it's like people like you Harry Maguire. How can we talk about him? But I guess I don't understand what is wrong with Harry Maguire. When he's playing for the country, he play like good. But when he's playing for me United, you will lie what Harry Maguire does, bro. Harry Maguire. I don't understand him. But sometimes he can play good. Sometimes he can play your sometimes he'll play some horrible things. You just this guy, this Harry Maguire. Like what the fuck are you playing, bro? Like And sometimes I will just will give you like this problem that you didn't have, bro. Like you just see like this guy. Like what the fuck is the problem with this guy? Like literally, you just think this guy is the same guy that was playing for the international team. Like it's the same. Like if you can check like the level that he's playing, like when he's playing for Man United is here, when he's playing for United is here. Like what the fuck? How come can you play when you have that type of different bro? Always the same. Mwana, so I don't know Ruto what has the auto meaning man. Mwana, ati faces demand at home faces one. Especially when Musa Kutamana faces on the table. A person she was so much time again in that time. That there was this sublime rotate minura sarashita aliva kutamba positioning team positioning team avakuita badima mara still vakutamba zvimwe zvinhu zvarwrong navozotamba zvinhu zvarwrong haringasara takuzoita zvirwrong navozotamba team rimangwaya haikona. And still when we're still talking about the football, FIFA have banned Richards Bay from registering players for the next 3 windows unless paying back the money they owed to their former player Abdi Hassan Abdal. Hey, 3 windows ban. That means they won't sign right now by June Shivara. That means they won't sign January. That means they don't sign again next year in June. They will sign next year in December when they close. That means those sign up are a big one. That's a bad. I don't know. And maybe it seems like maybe it's a lot of money. That is why they are unable to pay it. You know, that means the share danger in a owner. That is why they are unable to pay. Come on. Because if it was small amount, it was in a small amount. They were gonna pay. Mwana kutombarira chelete. Zvazvo pazvangositozi kunyangwe vatova kurengerera ubhadharire nabii. They were just gonna pay him like simple money, give him this money, then done. Cool. No talk with me. Zvazopera. I don't feel vangatova kurwa nayo. No rimini. Didn't think kuti zvazvingakontesta. And the one or the time. Come on. So I don't know the time. Maybe the one. I guess we just have to see. The ones who they tell me, remember why. Like it's you. I'm seeing my wife is having a studio session. As today will be day 4. Because of yesterday was day 3. That means that today will be day 4. Yeah, I guess she's trying to have a big album. I don't know what type of album she will bring us. I guess they will bring like a dope album because of she can really deliver if you can see, if you can check. She can literally deliver like a dope album if you can see. Is the goal is what type of album will she drop? But I guess it will be a massive album if we wish she would drop it. And I thought ones really did buy album yeah, and they are how come and they are how cool with beat album. One. Also sometimes you can just say, yo, the album will be good, the album will be bad, the album will be this and this. But when the album drop me, but you find the album won't be that good that way. To the album do a good back because when this album is the physical doesn't there but the visual is good. And I guess what when you don't go drop on you see the literally have to drop your Kelvin Mom have to drop your so Maestro also is gonna drop you who's this guy? He fall off set 3 where he's supposed to drop and who else supposed to drop because of been seen zintuza watu ndinyimwe muntu nangabakodropa who else name potential people know them. And then who else I guess people are not even saying things about the Java person should be and comes to this one also still just have to wait to the one and also to opinion AMT, so he said he will be dropping. But this thing of him saying he will be dropping another album, I don't think he will drop. This year, I don't think now. I also wait a little bit for him to drop. I don't think he will drop. Let's wait for maybe some months, a little bit. Then after that, you can drop maybe an album. But like literally right now, I don't feel like it will drop. What? I don't feel like it will drop. Gathering the Kosibonanga, I guess I will wait for some few. Then after few, then we will find some ways. Then we will drop. But literally now, I don't think we'll drop. That was only when we will drop. So, so what else has been going on in the country? What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? Yo, and Bertram Mutsipa has been re-elected as a what do you call it, the president of the what is it of CAF. So I guess it was not even what do you call it was not even what do you call this. They didn't even Mamu like no contest. They were just alone. They just really elected him. It's like when this thing of Dr. Imun Kozan on the chairperson side, no one will fight him. That guy. I guess it will be the chairperson of PSA up until Kongan. Up until there's no one who will fight him. Those other guys will just fight for these other positions. But that one is for him only. It's for him only. He doesn't even do the other thing over. So him only. Up until he quits. Up until he's like, now I'm good. I no longer wanna be in that position. I'm good with it. But even Spider Msingispe is good, doing good. He's even involving the African football, you know. So we just have to see what will happen. But I still like involving the African football in such a way, like good ones, like in a good way. That way, this is a good way. But usually it's involving it in a Yabona is growing like a little bit, a little bit, a little bit, a little bit. I just even the that cave one that is a kutam. Because I don't know who's tampering. Because I don't understand what I'm like. I don't know what I'm but I guess if you we go to the but just that luckily, it knows when it comes to the South African teams, you know, we don't play with it. We patrol by your tire. You know, I thought it's a year, but was very cheap. Mara is the Star never steam corner time ready. Are ready one? Is that a pala that I'm ready? Yes, we really need careful. Land of Paris really need careful. Like we need it. Like we're going to mathematics. So like when you know when we need a help, like that's what we need. Careful, we need it. We need it such a way like to we depend on it. Like we need it. Like we need care. That's how we want it. What? That's how we want the care. One gathering the Ruinga mathematics. Ruinga mathematics. Read in there. One reading the blind. You got out there. Gelandira out of Sifuzuria. You want careful. There's no other way that Ruinga. I require Yagazun. Put in Yagazun, Ruinga winner's ring. We have the officer to Mutin's team. Rather, you wanna. And we have the second star. Fucking hell, bro. Fucking hell. The Rosenbergs are Sisema to Dama to tea. But these are the ones who do it. But anyways, you know what it is. It's your boy BK Sunny Africa. Boom. Amara, yeah. No. I'm not out of here. Nakhondo pesa. This topic in the hangwa. Topic is SABC Libu. And not 30 cent. So 30 cent troubles with travel. So 30 cent Twitter interview. You can't with me. Ka Univen FM. So 30 cent Twitter interview can be FM. Oh, Missouri. 30 cent Missouri is not a friend with SABC. It just inspire SABC. But I guess it's not one of the cent SABC was that he's seeing that this guy thinks he's a criminal. It's not that friend that I thought he is. One. Gathering na kubonanga maybe this is not kubonanga zutamu. One. Maybe he's seeing that this guy this guy is not that person here I used to think would be end. Come on. The way he was moving, arrested for certain things, for weird things. Come on. That's why maybe think I could feel like urangamba ngayondina. Come on. Most I guess ndimthu angasimchenjera. Bona. Angasimchenjera. Remini limini. Ndikale babote. Come on. So I just thought that this would do it. Mara ngandenda kubona ngayo hayi. Ade usina ndrena ngalephuta ukumtshentshela khona zakutona zwo kutokutokuwa chance na kuzinokuzi because ukufisa nimeda kodwa abakota zwithu zwa so no ways no ways zviita little wrong this is the one concluding on Monday for I think they're fearing for even for bail but I guess I was on for bail the one I went is I guess even ilani case ina vana I guess ina vakatrial kai I guess ingadhimuri ikumdiangaro for violation of what the bail is a condition odo kumthenga crime oh just that bangayuzela mna worry innocent until proven guilty but so maybe but we are not supposed to we are angasithajiwe maybe I thought the one was very simple story hey must process